Hey, it's Stevie, back again. We're going to play a little bit of this tune, just to break in the black guitar we just did over. That was my birthday present on October the 15th, when I turned 72. No spring chicken. So we're going to kind of give it a test drive. We just fixed it up again, tuned it up, put some heavier strings back on. It's kind of messy from just hanging around. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely rivers sigh, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. That's the low scale version. If you were looking for the high notes, they're not coming from me. Thanks very much. Great to be around. Bye now.